Welcome to Sky Solution. Want to create a professional online store but don't know how to code? You're not alone. Many people face the same challenge when they decide to take their business online. The good news is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to create a stunning and functional online store. Today we'll show you how to use Sky Solution's no-code tool to build your online store in just a few minutes. Our platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so even if you have zero coding experience, you can still create a professional-looking store. We'll guide you through the entire process, from selecting a template to customizing it to fit your brand's unique style. You'll learn how to add products, set up payment options, and even optimize your store for search engines. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional online store that you can be proud of. So, let's get started and turn your business dreams into reality with Sky Solution. With Sky Solution's no-code tool, there's no need to write a single line of code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, our platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Just drag and drop to create a professional website optimized for both desktop and mobile. Our tool ensures that your site looks stunning on any device, providing a seamless experience for your visitors. With a wide range of customizable templates and design elements, you can bring your vision to life without any technical hassle. Plus, our platform offers robust features like e-commerce integration, SEO tools, and analytics to help you grow your online presence. Let's explore how it works. Dive into the world of no-code development with Sky Solution and see how easy it is to build, manage, and scale your website. Join thousands of satisfied users who have transformed their online presence with our innovative tool. Visit skysolution.com, click sign up, fill in the required information, and verify your email. Sky Solution offers a wide range of beautiful templates. Choose one that fits your brand. Effortlessly add your logo, images, and products with simple drag-and-drop actions. Link your payment gateway for seamless transactions, then publish your store with one click. Simple, isn't it? With Sky Solution's no-code tool, anyone can own a professional online store. Imagine having a sleek, fully functional e-commerce platform without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just someone with a great idea, Sky Solution empowers you to bring your vision to life effortlessly. Our intuitive interface and customizable templates make it easy to design a store that reflects your brand. Plus, with our robust support and resources, you'll never feel alone in your journey. Visit skysolution.com now to get started and transform your online presence today. Let Sky Solution help you bring your online business dreams to life.